Hi, my name is Seema,
And my name is Neil.
and today we are going to talk about climate reality and what we can do about it.
So, what is climate change? Climate change describes a change in the weather in a region over a long period of time. How is the climate changing? NASA scientists have observed Earth's surface is warming, and many of the warmest years have happened in the past 20 years. This is known as global warming. How much is the Earth's climate changing? Some parts of Earth are warming faster than the other parts of the Earth. In the past 100 years, the temperature near the Earth's surface has gone up about 2 degrees Fahrenheit. What causes climate change? There are lots of factors that contribute to Earth's climate. However, scientists agree that Earth has been getting warmer in the past 50 to 100 years due to human activities generating greenhouse gases. What are greenhouse gases? Greenhouse gases are gases in the Earth's atmosphere that block heat from escaping the Earth. This is called the greenhouse effect. The main greenhouse gases are water vapor, carbon dioxide, methane, ozone, nitrous oxide, and chlorofluorocarbons. What generates greenhouse gases? Nearly 75% of greenhouse gases emissions are coming from burning fossil fuels to generate energy to powder factories, cars, and buses, buildings, and our own homes.
We did a simple experiment to demonstrate greenhouse effect. We used two thermometers and a glass jar with a lid and found a sunny spot outside on a warm day. We then placed both the thermometers and the jar in the sun, allowing them to warm up. We then put one of the thermometers in the jar and closed the lid. And over the next few minutes, we observed the temperature on both the thermometers. We then moved the materials to a shaded area and again observed the temperature on both the thermometers for the next few minutes. As the air inside the closed jar gets warmer, it cannot escape. It keeps getting warmer. Even when you move the jar to a shaded area, the air inside the jar continues to stay warmer than the air outside the jar.
What impact does climate change have? Extreme weather events such as droughts, heat waves, forest fires, and hurricanes are projected to becoming more intense. Second, sea level is projected to rise 1 to 8 feet by 2100. 3. Climate change will likely lead to food and water shortages and pandemic diseases. What actions can we take? There are 3 actions we should take. Use our voice. Write to our elected officials and business leaders to help us transition to clean energy as fast as we can. Volunteer with local organizations to help take care of the environment. Refuse, reduce, reuse to minimize our impact on the environment.
Thank you for listening to us today.